what's going on, everyone? Fast Food Toy Reviews here. Today we have McNugget Buddies Halloween set of 6 cool little collectible figurines released by McDonald's back in 1996, and we even have a couple of Happy Meal boxes to take a look at as well. Let's get them opened up and have a closer look. Number 1 in the set is the Spider McNugget Buddy. So you can see it's a McNugget dressed up as a spider for Halloween, ready to go. So it's 3 pieces. So you have the hat piece, which has the 3 eyes and little pinchers there for the spider. Silly looking. Then you have the base right here, which has all the legs, 8 legs, and the little M for McDonald's underneath. You can see there's nothing going on there. And it's very simple. This says very simple, but yet cute and adorable. And I'm totally digging it because I love Halloween. And that's it. So you place this back on. Now, this doesn't peg on there or tab into place. It kind of just rests on there. You got to push it on just a little bit and hope it stays on. So if you move it around too much, it'll just fall off. But either way, it looks very cute, very cool. I totally dig it. So there you go. It's the Spider McNugget Buddy. Up at number 2 is the Rockstar. This is awesome. Oh, this one's making me giggle. Look at this thing. So you got a little McNugget Buddy dressed up as a rock star singer from a rock band. It's making me chuckle. I don't know why. It's silly. So you have this clear, translucent green helmet with built-in sunglasses. So he's got the shades going on, and you basically just place it like this, and it kind of moves around. It doesn't stay into place very well. So you gotta fidget with it, mess with it, just a scooch, and try to push it on there and get it to rest just like that. If you want to get it to look right, it doesn't stay. So if you do it like that, it doesn't look right. So you have to mess with it a little bit, and then maybe eventually you'll get it to rest on. There we go. Look at that. And of course, the bottom comes out too. So he's got the microphone, the red gloves, the leather jacket, cool looking boots. Everything's falling apart. And the McDonald's logo on the back. Let's put this back on there. There we go. And that's it. So there it is, the Rockstar McNugget Buddy. Next we have the Fairy Princess McNugget Buddy. This one's cute. I like the adorable golden yellowy hair. The tiara thing here. I think that's what that's called. It's got the little M for McDonald's. Nice little makeup, all the blush and all that stuff. It's so cute. The Fairy Princess wand, so she can cast magical spells and butterflies and all that stuff. This is cute. So if you look closely here, this is kind of clear. You can see my finger going through it. So the base here is sparkly and clear, and it's got like this real, I don't know what color it is, but it's like, if you see it in hand, the lighting and everything, it has like a greenish, bluish, dark aqua hint to it. Like it's a unique coloring for sure. And it maybe kind of looks like candy almost. It's awesome to look at. So you place that back in here and make sure that rests on there, because the hats on these things, the little caps, they just kind of rest right on these little McNugget Buddies. And that's it. So there you go. It's the Fairy Princess McNugget Buddy. Up at number 4 is the Dragon McNugget Buddy, looking very cool. I like this one. So on the back, you can see that he has a little tail curled up right here by my thumb, and some scaly skin, some spikes on his helmet there, on his head. Looks very cool. So we take this out. So this one actually rests on there pretty good and doesn't really just fall off like some of the other ones. So that's kind of cool. And then of course, a basic little base right here. You slide the McNugget Buddy in there and put the helmet back on. Look at that. Now you can see out of the mask. You get the little white teeth. This one's really cute until you drop it and it explodes everywhere. I drop everything. If you've been following my channel long enough, at some point in every video, I drop something. And I'm going to leave this here because why not? There you go. It's the Dragon McNugget Buddy. And number 5 in the set is the Alien Monster McNugget Buddy. This one looks kind of creepy and cool all at the same time. It's kind of silly. It's all mishmashed together. None of it makes sense. Got the 4 hands, so you got the 4 arms. You got the 1 little eyeball sticking out with the 1 big unibrow. let's take a look at that up close. You got the little M for McDonald's embedded into the hair, so that's kind of cool. Weird looking pointy ears, so I'm not sure what to make of that. It's got some kind of bubbly, scaly skin. This one's really silly. It looks like he's wearing like a pink bathrobe or something. This one's definitely the silliest of the bunch. And look at that. It's got the weird goofy eyes, got a couple of fangs hanging out. Yeah, and that's pretty much it with this dude. So this kind of just rests on there like that. So it makes it look like a cyclopean thing. I don't know what word to use, but it looks cool and cute and cuddly. I don't know. It's just awesome. So there you go. It's the alien monster McNugget Buddy. And last up at number 6 is Ronald McDonald. That's right. So you have a chicken McNugget dressed up as Ronald McDonald himself. This is cute. And you can see he's got the clown lips going on, cute little smile. He got this giant tuft of red hair. This is a cool looking little wig hair. And you have the base right here with the giant clown feet going on. Cool little tie. You see the M for McDonald's right there on the pocket. And yeah, nothing crazy. And it kind of wobbles in there. If you look at it, it doesn't really sit in there perfectly. Kind of wobbles around. Maybe it's just mine. I don't know. This is the only set I have. Maybe the others do the same thing. And what is really cool is that it's a dress-up set, kind of, sort of, like a Halloween set. So they all are interchangeable. So you can just mix and mash them all up and come up with dozens and dozens of different combinations with all your different little McNugget buddies. And you can basically use your imagination and go wild. So there you go. It's the Ronald McDonald McNugget Buddy. Check it out. I have a couple of the Happy Meal boxes that came with the set. Now, I believe there are 4 other boxes. I only have 2, so each McNugget Buddy has their own unique box. So obviously, this is the Dragon one that coincides and team pairs up with the Dragon McNugget Buddy. So we have that, and let's have a look here. So we have some pumpkin stuff, missing pumpkin pieces, and then it shows right there you can pop that out and make a mask out of the dragon, so you can actually wear that and play dress up. So if you look closely, it's all perforated on here, so this is removable. And then, like I said, you can take that out and become a dragon. And on the back here, let's see, what do we have? Some more cutouts, so you can see where it's cut out. They're roasting some marshmallows. There's some of the other McNugget buddies hanging out. And on this side, we have a bat. And let's see, no time for sleeping Halloween, the Happy Meal Workshop. Wake up this sleepy bat by moving the box handles in and out. Okay, so basically you see the creases here. So if you were to fold this and whatnot, then you can just kind of like move it back and forth, and it will make it look like the wings on the bat are flapping around. That's kind of cool. You'll go batting trying to find all the bats on this box. So a little search thing on here for all the different bats. Very cool stuff, so there you go. And the other Happy Meal box I have is the Alien Monster one. So you can see, again, they all have the same gimmick where you can pop these out and wear these as little masks, which I think is adorable. So let's see the resemblance between the little minifigure. So you can see what they're trying to make it look like. This is what it actually looks like. It's cute. And like I stated before, each McNugget Buddy has their own Happy Meal box, and I need to get the other 4, so I have the entire collection. Unfortunately, I only have just the 2 right now, but I'll hunt down the other ones eventually. It's kind of a rare set. They're kind of hard to come by, a little pricey, but if you really want this, you'll find a good deal and get the set together. And you can see there's Ronald, the rock star, and the princess, and some candy. You can see what's all going on here. And the little pumpkin ghost popping out. This is cute. See right there, you can pop this all out and make a mask out of the Happy Meal box. And anything else that's really cool on there? What's going on with the ghost real quick? Make a ghost, pop out of this Happy Meal Workshop machine, move with the box handles. Oh, okay, so like the bat, you fold this up in here, and then you can make his hands wiggle around. That's cute. So there you go, everyone. So there you have it, everyone. McNugget Buddies Halloween set of 6 cool little mini figurines released by McDonald's back in 1996. I absolutely adore this set. It's so cute and adorable. It's going to look great on display. If you can get your hands on it, I absolutely recommend getting it. You'll be happy to have it. It'll look great in your collection. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. We'll see you next time.